Welcome to WP Services, where we empower you with essential knowledge to keep your WordPress website in top shape. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned pro, knowing how to navigate these crises is vital. Let's dive in and master the art of crisis management. Step 1. Identify the crisis. Did you know, over 30,000 websites are hacked every day? Be prepared to recognize the signs and act swiftly. Step 2. Contact your hosting or WordPress support provider immediately. They can help isolate the issue and assess the damage. Step 3. Restore from backup. Having a recent backup can save the day. In fact, websites with regular backups recover faster by 70%. Step 4. Change passwords. Secure your site by updating passwords for your WordPress admin, hosting, and FTP accounts. Step 5. Scan for malware. Did you know 43% of hacked WordPress sites had malware vulnerabilities? Detect and remove threats swiftly. Some pro tips. Install a security plugin for ongoing protection. Keep plugins and themes updated to patch vulnerabilities. Educate yourself to handle future crises with confidence. By following these steps, you can minimize damage and regain control quickly. Hungry for more insights? Explore the resources below to bolster your crisis management skills. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks about WordPress.